really recommend you to save a minute to try all around 17 to 18 different kinds of meat that we have here.
Yes, for me also.
Okay.
How about mixo? Two?
One or two? One. Just one. Okay.
It was nice experience.
It really was nice experience.
Oh, sobrang busog namin, Mars. Worth it naman yung aming binayad doon kay nabusog na kami, Mars. Update! Wala na dito si Mixo, Mars. Kanina pa nasundo. And ito kami ni Mars. Dito sa harap ng hotel namin. Meron pang isang hotel dito at meron silang sky bar. So gusto namin itry ni Mars doon sa taas kay overviewing siya, Mars ba? Drink daw si Mars doon. Kung merong dessert doon, Mars, magdi-dessert ako doon. Diba? Tapos mamaya pagbalik sa hotel, mag-order ako ng sariling chicken. Is that opening? Ay! Ooh! It's also nice here. Very modern.
Self-checking.
Yo, social. So, you can ask. Yo. Because it's our first time here. Ang ganda naman ng ambience dito, Mars. Yan, very, masyado. Modern. Dun. Andun yung elevator. What floor? Custoys. 16th floor. Okay, sana hindi puno. Let's hope it's not full. Because it's so famous. Sky room. This one or no? They have pool.
Joo, niin on. Se on selylä. Because it's that floor. There we have the pool.
But there is no vacant.
Thank you.
Ooh. Nice.
Soon you will see the Helsinki.
Yeah.
City of Helsinki.
That's the icebreaker
Yeah,
ship.
this icebreaker. That's what USA. No, they make pretty much all of it in Finland.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Know-how is here.
Wow. So
All right.
this one? This one. Okay. Ayan. Dito na kami, Mars. Nakapasok na kami. Ang ganda dun, oh. Murder lang si Pars ng drinks. Uy. Ayan. Asan ba tayo? Ayun yung hotel. Yung Radisson Blue Seaside. Tapos ito naman, papunta dun sa terminal ng mga ship, mga Mars. Yung papunta ng Tallinn. Tallinn ba? Or Stockholm? Yung sa dalawa kasi dito yung terminal, Mars, kay may dalawang ship dito na company na nagbibiyahe to Tallinn and Sweden. Kaya dalawa yung terminal. Ganda. Worth it, Mars. Doon ko sana gusto, oh. Ang ganda sana dun sa kabila. Uy. Ayun lang, Mars. Ayun lang. Baba na kami ni Pars. Isang drinks lang kami dun, Mars. Yung akin, alcohol-free. At least nakita namin yung place. Sikat kasi ito siya eh. So, asan yung sikat eh? Puntahan natin, Mars. Saktong-sakto lang. Sabi ko, alis na tayo. Kaya puro lang pala sila drinks. Walang ibang benta ba? Drinks lang talaga. So, nag-order na ako ng sarili naming chicken, Mars. Why it's like that? Okay. Oh. Daming papunta dun. Where? Hey, I think it's closed. You we go there. Ayan, labas na tayo. Dito kasi tayo pumasok kanina eh. Ang ganda ng ambience talaga. I really like the ambience. It's very modern. Modern. Pati yung lights nila, Mars, to. Modern. So, naglakad na tayo dun sa hotel namin. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina kay kausap ko si Ate Julie habang papunta kami dito. I think that's their restaurant, Trakas. Oh, where is my gloves? Uy, kay malakas ang hangin. Malamig. Uy. Oh. Yo. Ay. Sakit sa Mars. Oh, di ba? Tapos yung suot ko, nakadress pa din, Mars. At least, if have pants, I don't have. Oh. Lakad lang tayo, Mars. Ano? Yo, dito, Mars. For sure, hindi nyo ako naririnig ngayon. Ang lakas ng hangin. Pwedeng tumakbo. Rakas, let's use that scooter. You know how to use that? You know, it's really hard wind. It feels like it's pushing me. Ay. Okay. And now I can feel the
But not all the
cold. Huh?
Not all the way to the sleep.
No! Ano, sus. Pag nadiritso ka dyan, Mars, kirig-kirig ka dyan, Mars. Kay, ang lamig-lamig. Malamig pa yung tubig dyan. No, winter time. Hindi pa yan siya warm. Magwa-warm yan, mga bandang July na. Yung pwede naliguan ba? Keri-keri na yung lamig. Under renovation, matagal na under renovation ng daan na to. Last year? This is so long. It's been so long already, Rakas.
It is. It's been many years.
Yeah. I remembered when I
They
visited,
really fix like everything.
when I visited Daryl, it's
Now they are building
already
something.
started.
They're coming up
Huh?
like the house.
House?
Yeah.
Really?
But you can see there is a big hole
Oh my God, building na naman, Mars.
on the road.
Yo. I think that's the special room, Rakas, upstairs. There.
Ah, yo.
Yo, meron kasing isang room dyan, Mars, na merong jacuzzi. Tapos, ang laki ng balkonia. I think that's it. Pero grabe, ang mahal. Alam niyo po ba yung price? Kay 950 euro per night.
Okay. For 1 month.
My God.
30,000.
No, only rich people can afford that.
Yeah.
But if you're just an ordinary human being, it's so hard to afford that. Uy, not a chance, Jude. Okay. Oh, my legs are cold already. Tama lang talaga, Mars, na dinubli ko tong jacket ko. Nagdala ako ng extra kasi alam ko, pag mag-walking-walking kami ngayon, malamig. Oh. So,
This way it's more easy to walk.
yeah.
When we arrived,
Hmm?
the wind was ahead of us.
Yeah.
My eyes was just like leaking. Yeah.
Oh, yan o. Malaki din pala talaga yung hotel na yan. Seaside Hotel. First time namin dyan, Mars eh. Basta, anniversary namin ni Pars. Nag-effort talaga kami na gumastos. Kay, minsan lang ba? Hindi naman to everyday. Once a year lang to, Mars. Para every year, maalala natin kung saan tayo. Last year, dun kami sa Presidente Sucos Hotel. Dun sa pinaka-center talaga. Yeah, Presidente Hotel. The room there is also nice. Mas malaki dun, Mars. Kay may dalawang living room. Tapos, yung kitchen. Kitchen ba yun? Or dining table na? Ang laki. 6 ang kasya. So, there's our hotel. Okay. Like that. Yeah, I really want to have dessert, Rakas.
Huh?
I really want to have dessert.
Really?
You, can we check here?
You can order.
Yeah. Not now? Ah, there is a big bang mga Mars. Nagmamadali na si Mars. Big bang.
Big bomb.
Yan yung hotel nila. Tahimik yung restaurant nila. Diyan ang breakfast area. Tomorrow. So, we just lie down there eating. I just like it
Come
here.
here.
Yeah. Ganito lang kami ni
You mean
Pars.
like Japanese style? We sit on the floor?
Yeah. Because they don't have big tables.
Actually, here is no.
Yo.
Unlike last time.
Yo. But don't mess, ha?
Why?
See?
You clean?
Ooh, look yummy mga Mars.
Ah, here are the fries. I wonder what kind of fries they are.
Big ones or small?
Big ones.
Ay,
It's
big
really big.
ones.
Here is the second one. No, let's eat that first.
Yeah. Mmm. Yummy.
Garlic.
Wait. Ano ba ito eh?
And this is for chicken, actually. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah. Good idea.
the sauce kay
Wait.
baka matapon ang sauce. Like this.
The fries is quite cool.
Yeah, crispy.
It is. It is.
Not like same where? His burger.
Mm.
It's not the same from his burger. Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Let's try this one.
This is first Marco try this
Mm.
chicken. Better no?
Tasty. Very
No.
tasty.
It's better than the KFC.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I told you. Mas
And it's
masarap.
spicy already.
Yeah. Mas masarap kasi tumas sa KFC. Dati, takam na takam ako sa KFC eh. Nung natikman ko to, mas masarap pala to. See?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want more?
You mean like my own plate, huh?
Do not mess.
You clean?
Yeah, they will ask me to clean tomorrow before we leave. Ang harap din mong ganito, Mars.
It's tasty.
Kasi kanina, restaurant na tayo, dito na naman tayo sa simpleng pagkain. Ganyan lang, balance lang, Mars. Yummy.
It is. Very. Are better.
Our midnight snack.
Fries are good.
Yeah. Masarap to siya ba? Yummy chicken. Dahil kanina ano na kami, Mars, nag-restaurant.
Oh yeah, here have
Dito na
wings
naman tayo sa
and fillets.
simpleng food.
This one
Yeah.
was the fillet.
We don't have that chicken legs.
No legs. Because it's so big. We don't need that.
Yummy.
Mm.
Perfect. Kaguto, Mars.
The next day.
Good morning mga Mars. Kumusta ang tulog natin dyan? Hindi ako masyado nakatulog, Mars. Kaya yung kortina nila doon masyadong liwanag. Yung sa gilid ba, hindi mo siya malagay talaga sa pinaka dulo. Yung liwanag galing sa labas. Pumapasok yung ilaw. Kaya pag nagising ako, oh my God, kita-kita ko yung liwanag, Mars. It's bothered me. Maaga ako nagising, 5:30 yata. Pero mga bandang 4:30, bumangon ako, nag-CR. Nahirapan ako bumalik matulog. And for today, mag-church ako. Si Pars natin ay, muna siya, mag-skip kay... Kagabi kasi nag-inom siya. May alcohol pa siya, Mars ba? Hangover. So, ayaw niyang pumasok sa simbahan na nangangamoy alcohol siya. So, andyan na yung aking Bolt. Hindi kasi ako magdadrive, Mars, kay baka pagbalik ko mamaya, yung parking ko is wala na, Mars. So, ang hirap pa naman maghanap ng park dyan sa labas. So, ito ngayon ako ay nag-order na lang ako ng Bolt. Ang bilis lang. Tapos, galing dito, 5 minutes lang papunta sa church. Dito na yung Bolt, Bolt taxi. Saan na yun? Oh, it is. Saan ang kulay nito? Ito yata, 422. Oh. Ito nga. Yan na yung ating taxi. Kuwamenta. Dito na sila, Mars. Mixo! Where are they? Late na? Ay, sus.
Bigay na lang tsaka si Marco, baka nga hindi yun umabot.
Kay nag-start. Ready na. Sayang, next time na lang na.
Oo nga, excited pa naman yan mag-serve.
Oh, patry.
Naggagas lang yan.
Patry sana siya mag-serve mga Mars ba? Hindi, pasok tayo. Hindi, ay, wala na. They are ready?
There's 2 people. Yoko.
Ang badiday na mo, badiday. It's very cold. Woo! Mura manig. Uy!
Ka-winter siya.
Grabe ka kusog sa sa hangin. Order ako ng boat.
Punta ka sa bahay kay mag-ihaw ta.
Oo.
What time mo ba to?
Baka man ako si Marco.
Tulog pa to? Ha?
Namata naman siya gaina. Baka natulog to balik.
Okay, where's Mixo and Marco?
Ay, 9 minutes. Okay lang. Confirm order. Mura na pala ng bolt dito, oh.
Ilang size?
3.
3?
Nara.
Oh, 390 lang.
Pag Sabado,
Put
6.
your hand in the pocket.
Pero ngayon maaga,
Put your hand in the pocket.
390.
Mo. Put hand in the pocket. Put hand in the pocket. It's cold. Put hand there. Inside.
Ka-cute ba,
Very
uy?
good. Yeah. When it's cold, you put your hand.
Yeah, where's Mixo na? Agoy, ang Mixo. Waan na, may sariling mundo na anak namin. Ayan, mauna na sila umuwi ng banta. Uuwi pa ng
Yung
hotel.
anak ko ayaw na sumama.
Bye, Mixo!
Very good man sila natulog. May laban. First time niya, di ba?
Oh.
Na wala kayo.
Pero kaya ni, nasa anoy na yan. O sige na, kuya. See you later. Hindi, magra-round 6 na kami. Ang hihina nyo. Ay, joke-joke lang mga Marsoy. Asa na tong, ko? Pick up in 7 minutes. Ay, nako, 7 minutes pa. Antayin ko na lang mga Mars. Lamig. Asan yung Jack? Tulog pa si Pars.
I last 20 minuter I can.
You shock?
I'm listening to book and I did not hear at all that you. Yeah.
Your son doesn't want to come with me.
I guessed so. Yeah, I know that.
Okay, let's go to it.
How was it?
It's fine. They did not go to the altar because they was late.
Okay.
Yeah, when they arrived, the bell is already ringing.
No, okay.
Yo.
Okay. Let's go for breakfast.
Yo. Kasi mga Mars, ang plan ni Ate Julie, si Miggy at si Marco, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo na. nagsiserve sila dun sa altar. Gusto sana ipatry ni Ate Julie si Mixo doon na mag-serve para matry din niya, experience. And sa mga hindi pa mo nakakaalam, si Mixo natin ay nabinyagan sa Lutheran. Tapos, kay doon kasi sa Kotka, walang Catholic doon na church. Dito lang yan sa malalaking city ang Catholic. At si Pars natin ay member siya sa church ng Lutheran, yung dito talaga. And yung Lutheran church at Catholic church, mag-sister po yan sila mga Mars. Right, Rakas?
Huh?
The Lutheran and Catholic church, they are sisters.
Sister church.
Yeah, and
Yes.
almost the same.
Almost the same. Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what is the different?
Huh?
The priest.
Yeah.
Because in here, the priest can be woman.
You're also woman.
Yeah.
And can marry.
Pwede babae, pwede lalaki, at pwede silang mag-asawa. 'Di ba sa atin, yung mga father natin or yung priest natin, hindi talaga sila pwede mag-asawa. So, sa kanila naman, sa Lutheran, pwede Mars. Nashock nga ako nung dati na babae yung nagmimisa, yung una naming pasok sa simbahan nung pagdating ko dito. December din yun kasi dumating ako November, and then pagka December, Christmas, pumunta kami ng church kasama si Bienan, babae yung nagmimisa. Kaya tinanong ko siya, okay. And then in-explain niya sa akin na yung Catholic pala and Lutheran ay almost the same lang. Ang kaibahan lang talaga sa kanila, hindi sila nagsa-sign of the cross every time. Nagsa-sign of the cross, pero yung father lang mga Mars. Kaya si Pars, hindi siya nagsa-sign of cross, pero same tayo ng paniniwala. At meron din silang first communion, pero ang first communion nila ay pag nag-15 years old na yung bata. Di ba sa atin, pag 7 years old or 8 years old, kasi naalala ko dati, 8 years old, nag-first communion na ako mga Mars. Yan ang sa Catholic. Ang sa Lutheran naman, very big party yan dito sa kanila, Mars. Yung 15 years old na mag-first communion, kasi para din yang bininyagan. So, after the church, yung 1 week na pupunta sa campsite yung mga kids or yung mga teenager, and then after that, Sabado, ayun, mag-first communion na sila, tapos mag-gather lahat. Yung may bisita talaga. Pag si Mixo mga Mars, ano namin siya, 15 years old. Kasi ngayon, hindi pa namin siya pwedeng sabihin na, oy, magkatoliko ka. Kahit sa Lutheran ka na binyagan, magkatoliko ka. Ayaw ni Pars yung ganun. Ang gusto niya, pag naging adult na si Mixo, pwede siya mag-decide kung magiging Catholic siya or Lutheran. Pero pagka 15 years old niya, gusto ni Pars. Andito kami sa Finland, siya yung masusunod kasi siya yung tatay mga Mars. Wala akong right dyan. May right naman ako, pero since andito kami, mas susunod yung culture nila. And si Mixo ay Finnish po talaga. So, ayun. I'm explaining to them that in Lutheran, every 15 years old, the teenager can have the first communion, because in Catholic, we can start like 7 or 8 years old.
Yeah. That is the difference.
Different, and Lutheran, we can have big party.
Yeah.
Like it's just like a christening.
It is kind of. Yes.
Yeah.
One of those sacraments.
And then we give gifts, and then we have party. Ganyan mga Mars, and then invited yung mga ninong and ninang, friends, mga ganyang galawan sa atin ba. Pero sa kanila, iba talaga. And which is very nice. Our Mixo, they're so excited. And then when I asked, do you want to come with me to the hotel? But later we go to Tita Julie. No. I go with them.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And he's
really enjoying.
Yeah, he's really
That's good.
enjoying. And I asked, did you sleep well?
Yeah.
You did not cry? No, I did not cry because I sleep with Marco.
No need to do that.
Big boy na talaga siya mga Mars. And today is magbe-breakfast na tayo. Wala tayong ibang ginawa, Mars, kundi kumain. Hindi, kumain. And then magpunta dun sa restaurant. Ganyan lang, Mars. Uy, kagabi nga nung nagpunta kami ni Pars dun sa bar. And then, ayun, usap-usap kami. Chismis-chismis. Then sabi niya, yung mga ganito, hindi dapat iniiwasan. Kasi nagtatrabaho tayo palagi. And then, yung pera, nakikita natin yung pera. Pero yung ma-experience mo yung makapag-relax, minsan lang to. Once a year or di kaya twice or three
How is the weather?
times a year. It's quite nice.
Okay,
It's sunny.
but did it feel like so cold?
It's very cold because of the wind.
Okay.
But in Kotka,
Yeah?
it's white there.
Yeah.
Mars, sa Kotka, nagsisnow. Dito sa kanila, sunny. Diyos
That's
ko.
nice.
Ganito lang siguro yung aking suot doon, kakain kami ay. Simplihan lang natin, Mars. Ganyan lang yung attire ko. Nag-jacket lang naman ako, Mars. Hindi na kailangan yung bongga-bongga. Okay, hey, can you hang this? Because last night I was
sure.
really sleepy.
Sure.
After namin mag-sauna, Mars,
Hang here?
yeah.
So this is still place.
Talaga, Mars. Tulog ako. Okay, nag-sauna. Matagal din kami nag-sauna ni Pars. Mga 30 minutes kasi nag-walking kami dun sa labas. Nilamig talaga ako. Yung sauna ay perfect. So, let's
The key.
mag-breakfast muna kami dun sa baba. Let's see kung ano yung breakfast nila. But almost the same lang naman ang mga breakfast dito. Ay, ano meron dito, Mars? Oh, dami nilang tinapay, Unlimited croissant. Oh. Ano to? Sausage. Saan yung plato? Si Pars natin ay sa tinapay. What is that bread? Kuha ako ng karyalan. Rakas, can you give me karyalan? Recipe,
Yo,
Rakas.
yo. How many?
2. Okay. The butter is there.
Yo.
Yan, lalagyan mo to, Mars, ng... Uy, it's plenty. Butter yan na may itlog.
Just for food.
Tapos, ito, itlog, as usual. Kuha tayo ng bacon. Bacon. You want? Do you want? Oily naman ito. Tayo ng madami, Mars. Nakain tayo ng madami ngayon. And then, sausage. I can try. Let's
Looks
taste.
different.
This is warm vegetables. What kind of vegetables? Hey, I want that. Baked beans.
Take beans.
Yun. Masarap tong baked beans eh. And this is pancakes. Try natin to, Mars. Pancake. Kakain tayo ng madami ngayon. Oh. Pancakes. Oh. Naguluhan ako. Ayan. Ito lang muna, Mars. Nalagay ko muna ito sa lamesa ko.